Every morning in Verdana feels like a fresh start, a new chapter in our story. There's warmth here that makes each day special. I still remember her first day at school. Knowing she's close and happy, that's peace of mind I treasure. Living in the heart of Dubai means everything we need is right at our doorstep. A day out at the mall brings us so much joy and connection. Here, we nurture life and watch it grow. The green spaces, the calm, it's where our family finds peace and togetherness. Every detail is designed with love, making it a place where I'm free to be myself. And when we want to unwind, the beach is just a short drive away. The simple joys, sand between our toes. It's where we make memories that last a lifetime. Verdana is where our family story's written, where love, laughter, and life come together. This is where we belong. This is Verdana.